We went and splurged and bought a new garden seeder, and we got the one from Hoss Tools, and we bought this with our own money, so they didn't give us any. I didn't ask for any. They didn't give us any and benefits or anything for buying this. I just wanted something. We've been using a Earthway. I think that's the name of it, Earthway, for 20 years or so, and I think it's finally getting kind of wore out. It's really not heavy enough for what we're doing now. We're I tried to do the sweet corn the other day, and it picks it up from the side and throws it down a tube, and it missed a lot. So what we end up doing is kind of going through there, and then Allison would push it, and I'd go by and cover it up to make sure it's laying the seed down. I said, this is going to take forever if we do this whole thing. So we did 3 rows, and we're going to do some more, and that's why we decided to get this. Of course, I looked at all the reviews, and I don't reckon I've ever seen any negative about it, except maybe the price. I mean, it's pricey, so. But I didn't know what else to do. We needed something heavy and something that would work good. And one of the reasons I like this, and we'll look at it, I think when we open it up, the cup's on top and it just drops the seed straight down, instead of having to come up like the Earthway and pick the seed up, kind of like a little Ferris wheel. Have to go through a hole into a tube, and it was kind of like this. It was kind of crooked and then dropped down. So I think this just drops straight down, I hope. And of course, you might be seeing this actually in action before this video even comes out, depending on the weather. But we'll go ahead and open it. I have not opened it or even looked at it or done a lot of thinking about it. But like I said, we used our own money with this, so we'll give you a first look. And oh, cool! Sent me a sticker. I did watch this garden show. It says watch this garden show. I did watch it. I used to watch it more than I did now. And another good thing about this one, I might put together, looks like it's made in America, so that was a big plus for us. So here's the handles, one handle, 2 handles. Oh no, I don't. I'll put it together. Okay, it even comes with a manual. So that's cool. Alright. Just gonna throw this down here temporarily. Alright, it is heavy duty. Oh, it's got plastic gears. I'm not too crazy about that. Yeah, it's got plastic gears right here. Right there. Too crazy about that part of it. Huh. Well, it operates smooth. It's well, I like the way that looks there. Okay, these are the seed plates, so we'll look at them in a minute. Let's see if we can get this put together. Alright, let's get the manual up. So this is the depth. It goes from 1/4 inch up to 1 3/4. So it ain't marked on there. I just have to remember that, I guess. I would say these go on the inside, these little holes, so kind of remember that. So I got everything tightened up and ready to go. I think I am going to coat these handles with something. Maybe some linseed oil or some kind of outdoorsy thing. These are very pretty. I think they're oak. And this is all tightened up. Put the screw in. And like I said, it's got a pretty easy depth adjustment. It's making it shallow. Got a kickstand right here. I'm trying to show you all this up here where I can. Got a kickstand. This right here is super smooth. Ain't too crazy about the plastic gears, but what do you do? And it's got the little disc here too. I like this. So, all right, I can't wait to try this thing out. See how it works. We'll definitely do some sweet corn. We got a lot of sweet corn we got to do, and like I said, that's the main reason. But I'm also going to we do beets and some radishes and maybe even some kale. And like I said, it comes with 6 different seed plates, so get pretty excited about that. And I was fixing to do that anyway, so I just thought I'd wait on this. And so hopefully the weather holds out and we can get to try this. Got really good bearings on it, and it's heavy. That's one thing I like about it. It's pretty heavy. It probably weighs about 35, 40 pounds. So it ought to go better in our sweet corn's going. So this, I thought this turned, but it don't. It stays stationary. And here's the seed plate. And you can see that it goes straight down. Right there's a hole that the seed drops down. It goes straight down. So I like that. That's going to work pretty good. And this goes in here. It's got little grooves there. You put this on there. This little lock nut. It says just tighten it where this won't come up. And look how smooth this is. So you will probably see this in action if you haven't already. Depending on the weather, we got to finish up our sweet corn. So that's one of the reasons we got it. So I'm looking forward to it. And we'll do a more in-depth review of how it works out in the field. But right now I like it. It's heavy, it's smooth. I love the seed thing. I even like the depth reduction. I think I'll probably write on there the maximum and the smallest. So I wish they ought to stamp it on there, but I don't know why they don't. So right here it is. This right here is 1 3/4, 1.5 inches, 1/2. Then right below it is 1/4 inch. Come with 6 seed plates with different sizes, and it's got on here what's for what. And I might even write that on there too with a Sharpie. Got a little cover that goes over the seed thing. I like it. Nothing here I don't like about it. So till we get out in the field, we'll try it out. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little review, a little unboxing. Like I said, we bought this with our own money, selling bread down there at the stand mainly. And we're gonna put it to use hopefully sometime in a few days. And like I said, I'm gonna do this unboxing video on a Sunday, and then you might see the actual working of it before. But anyway, this is unboxing. I like it. It's easy to put together. All it can put together, all you gotta do is these 4 screws and put the handles together. So everything else is good. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you out in the field.